Hey everyone! Today we're going to configure VLANs in Cisco Packet Tracer. Before we begin, let's see what VLAN actually is. VLAN stands for Virtual Local Area Network. It allows us to logically segment a network into separate domains, regardless of the device's physical location. This means computers on different floors, or even in different rooms, can still communicate as if they were on the same network. In this example, we'll create two VLANs, one for the sales department and one for marketing. Let's start by opening the switch's terminal and entering configuration mode. First, we'll create the VLANs and name them. Use the VLAN command, followed by the VLAN number and then the name command to assign a name. Next up, we are going to assign ports to their VLANs. We do this by selecting the interface range, setting those ports to access mode with switchport mode access, and then assigning them to a VLAN using switchport access VLAN. Once that's done, we can check our configuration with the show VLAN brief command. This shows all the VLANs and the ports assigned to them. As we can see, we have the VLANs set up and their interfaces. Now, VLANs on their own can't talk to each other. To allow communication between them, we need Inter-VLAN routing. For that, we'll add a router to handle packet forwarding. There are two main methods for Inter-VLAN routing. The first method uses a separate physical connection for each VLAN. This doesn't scale well, since a large network with many VLANs would require a lot of physical links. The second method uses a single physical connection, but creates multiple logical sub-interfaces on it. This is more efficient, and it's the method we'll use in this tutorial. First, enable the router's interface. Then create a sub-interface for each VLAN. For example, after the interface name, add .10 for VLAN 10. We have to set the encapsulation with the command encapsulation.1q followed by the VLAN number. Then assign an IP address and subnet mask. This will act as the gateway for that VLAN. Repeat the same steps for the other VLAN. On the switch side, don't forget to configure the port connected to the router as a trunk port. This is done with the switchport mode trunk command, so multiple VLANs can share the same physical link. Now assign IP addresses and gateways to each PC. Finally, let's test the setup. We'll try to ping a computer in the marketing VLAN from a computer in sales. The first ping might fail because of the ARP resolution process, but after that, it should work. And as we can see, the connection is successful. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.